What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. I am jumping right into today's video to get some much needed cleaning done around my house. As a working mom, the weekends are my time to capitalize on anything I really need to get done around the house. So I hope you guys find some motivation from today's video. And if you are tackling anything on your to-do list, leave those down in the comment section below so we can tackle it together.
So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby. Dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want.
Today I really wanted to focus on the main living area, especially when everybody is out of the house. It's just a lot easier to get so much more cleaning done because I don't have to worry about picking up after anyone else. So right after I got done doing some laundry, I am gonna go in and give our couch a good vacuum. To be honest, this vacuum is not my favorite because it doesn't really pick up too much, especially since we have a cat. He likes to lay on the couch and there's cat hair and all of that kind of stuff. So you see me really trying to get in and get all of that stuff picked up.
You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
Typically when I'm cleaning, I will have some type of show in the background so I can listen. But this particular day, I really was into some good music. So I threw my headphones on, threw on some old school jams on the Pandora, and I was having a ball. Let me know what you guys like to do when you are cleaning. Do you like listening to podcasts? Do you always have the TV on? Or do you like to listen to music? Let me know down below.
Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got
into the kitchen, and as usual, I'm gonna be decluttering the countertops and putting everything back to where it needs to go.
I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. And now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. And now, no words no more, no. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more, no, no. We don't know, no words no more. No more, we don't know, no what's no more, no, no. Yeah, I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history.
Random question for you guys. So this year my twin sister is getting married, and we really started the whole planning of her bridal shower, and I love stuff like this. So I remember when I was getting married, I was your typical DIY bride who made everything, who had champagne taste on beer budget, and that's just stuff that I naturally enjoy doing. So I did want to know if you guys would be interested in that type of content as well, and kind of mix that in with my cleaning videos, especially if anybody's getting married, or maybe you guys might be like a bridesmaid or maid of honor or something like that. But let me know if that's something you guys are interested in, and I could start doing content for you like that as well.
Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with you sing out your frustration. Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. And even if the sky was falling down, you never noticed any told you so. Keep on acting out like strangers. Scream out loud. I will go if nothing changes.
If only I could fold laundry this quick, I'm pretty sure I wouldn't hate it as much as I do.
Echoing inside your walls, 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so. Watch me on my way out. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one that said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so.
Got your letter, guess this is better. You win sometimes, lose sometimes, no need to apologize. It was the distance we had between us. You broke us down in disguise, no need to apologize. Ooh, 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 ooh. But I can't help that I miss you now, and I need to reminisce this cause we're still at our moments and they keep coming back to me. I can't help that I miss you now. I can't help that I miss you now.
So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys were able to tackle your to-do list. Let me know down below. And before heading out, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys in a couple days for another video.
So you know, some things are not meant to be. Let's skip the apologies. Ooh, ooh.